installed the other day, and today we're installing another fan. This one is a 6-inch round, and Brad has the plastic bag. Why do you have this plastic bag today?
Catch all the shavings.
Because the other day what? And so now you decided to do this?
Back of the van. You got room to blow it out the back or whatever else. I don't wanna. It's either that or cover the damn things, and we're not doing it.
Alright, well we're not doing that. So, we're gonna go up and cut that out. Why are we starting with the biggest one first?
I realized it didn't matter.
Okay.
But inside,
so
everything is inside. So cut this out.
One pucker.
I know. That's all I care about.
Okay.
Because you're not cutting a square. You're cutting around that edge.
This is gonna be hard.
Exactly. So whatever you do, stay on the inside of that line.
Oh God. All right. Alright, I think we have a hole now. I don't even know if I should go this way.
I'm gonna get you started. I'll go around towards you, and then you can.
Okay, that's perfect. I'll do this half, and you can do this half. Great, because I'm super nervous about that. Can you even see? Like, can you actually see?
Oh yeah, I can see.
Horrible.
Huh?
That's horrible. It's like a pomegranate.
It's a bomb. The bomb went off.
Alright. Spray. Ew. I like this trash can idea.
Yeah, it's good. You know what? We probably should have sprayed it before we pulled the tape up. That probably should have been a thing.
One eternity later.
Hey, we got wood.
What I got down here. Oh.
Should have put that trash can back on.
How am I supposed to look at you while I do this?
I don't know. Okay, I'm going over to the original one.
This portion of the roof flexes quite a bit, and we needed these drill holes to be relatively straight. So,
You ready? Okay. Reminds me of the reusable erasers in college.
I use those all the time in college.
Those things. All you have to do is you just pull and stretch them and then you erase again.
I'm sure this is working the same. Just too sticky for paper.
Probably. I mean, that stuff's sticky too.
So here you can see we're using caulking. This is a caulking made by Henry. You can find it right at Home Depot or Lowe's. It is made for RVs and rooftops, so it's UV protected. The one disadvantage is it's not self-leveling.
Fan number 2 just got installed. So we could use the other MaxXair fan that we have that's that size because the solar panel is way too big. So we got a little 6-inch and we just installed that. Well, it wasn't our original design, but I think this actually works better for our shower. Let us know what you think about shower designs. Comment below if you have.
Now at this point, we're ready to cut the hole in the roof for the solar and the Weboost to come down through using this port.
Is that dry yet? Try it now. Alright, we're taped. Ready? Yes, no?
Suppose so.
God, it's cold.